Hi, I'm Jacob with Eco Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians. If you're like me, you're probably asking yourself, should I really fill out this form? Or if I do, what are they going to do with my information? Most homeowners we talk to just want a ballpark number, without scheduling an appointment or getting a bunch of sales calls. That's exactly why we built our HVAC Estimator. It gives you a realistic price range for your HVAC project before you ever have to talk to anyone. HVAC systems cost can vary a lot depending on your home, the system you choose, and how it's installed. This estimator helps answer the big question up front: what should I expect to pay? You answer a few quick questions about your home and you'll instantly get a price range for a full HVAC system replacement, or just the furnace or AC units themselves depending on your needs. All based on project data from homes like yours. This isn't a final quote, but it's designed to be a realistic starting point. Every home is a little different, but this gets you much closer than guessing or searching online. This is perfect if you're budgeting or comparing options. When you finish, your estimate shows up in your email instantly. We do ask for your phone number, but only in case something looks off and we can help you get a more accurate number. We don't sell your information and you're not going to get spammed with calls. If you want a quick, honest idea of what your project might cost, go ahead and start your estimate. It only takes about a minute. By the end, you know what to expect and what your next step should be. If your system just stopped working or you need help right now, it's best to give us a call so we can take care of you quickly. I hope this video and our estimator are helpful as you consider your new HVAC options.